자! Hi everyone. I'm 한기 사범님. I'm Taekwondo instructor. Today I'm 한기 사범님. I'm Taekwondo instructor. Today we're gonna making. Okay? 자, how we gonna do? We just need any kind of paper and scissors and paper clip. Last one is scotch tape or glue stick. Scotch tape, glue stick. 자, how we gonna make? Number one, we gonna folding this way. We're gonna folding this way. Only one time. 짠, 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 짠. Nicely. Ta-da. And we're gonna do. Starting here, we're gonna folding in the half one more time. Here to here. Folding. Jan 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 jan. You get it? And it's gonna be like that. And we're gonna do cutting this part. This line. Can you see the line? See the line? We're cutting this line. Bum 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 bum. Ah, dun 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 dun. Ah, one more time. Or you can using both. You can giving one for your young sister or brother. Jajan, jajan. We're making like that. Yay! So number one, we gotta folding half this one. Folding half. Jajan. Dun, 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 like that. Did you fold half? Dun. You fold half. So now this gonna be folding other half to this way. Dun. Folding other half to this way. True. So now what we gonna do? We gonna making some line with this part. This part you will do like that, and maybe inch or half inch down we were making straight line. Like that, like this. So if I show you one more time, this pen is not great. This line and 1 inch, a half inch, just a little bit. Jan, 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 like that, like that. And between this half, can you see this part? Can you see this part, under part? We folding already here, right? We gotta making other points between this one's middle, so it means like this, like this. Can you see? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cutting top part, cutting this part, nicely cutting, like that, like this. Great. And you remember this part under? We are cutting until here. We're gonna cutting until here, like like 짜잔. And you can fold it. So now we're gonna fold in this part. Ah! Like that. And as you're folding, not cutting everything, folding. 짜잔. And we're gonna glue it. Glue here and patch, like attach together, or with your scotch tape. Use your scotch tape. Put it down like jan, jan. Put it in one here. 짜라란. Scotch. When you're using scotch tape, always be careful your finger. Put it in. 짜라란. 짜잔. Like that. Like that. It look like arrow, right? Wow! So now we're gonna folding one way inside to me, one way outside of me. One is inside, one is outside. It's gonna be helicopter. Yeah, this is gonna be helicopter. Yeah! And now we're gonna do, put it in under there. We're gonna making weight. 짠, 짜잔, 짠. Let's see it's gonna working or not, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna bring more funny video next time. And have a nice day. Please be safe. Bye bye.